My self-concept project. What defines me? Who do I think I am? What roles do I play? What do I believe to be true about myself? And what am I made of? When I look into the mirror, I see greatness. I see strength and I see royalty. When I walk into a room, I bring all 10,000 of my ancestors with me. Confidence is my superpower. High loving thoughts about myself and who I am is my superpower. The Wedlow family. My reason for pushing myself to the limit and never giving up and never quitting. My three beautiful children, my husband, myself, my parents, my ancestors, my siblings. I'm just big on community and family. I'm a powerful, passionate, honest, considerate, creative, evolved, resilient, youthful soul with a wise and grateful heart. With the honor of being a mommy of three, a Marine's wife, I have almost 5 years of active military service. I'm also military minded. I'm outspoken, direct, and confident. I am a knowledge seeker, an empath, a spiritual energy healer, a soul of principle, morals, good character, and great positive energy. I believe that any and everything that I, Regina, commit my mind and heart to and put action behind will be obtained and received in this lifetime for me. I am my biggest cheerleader, whoop whoop, my own head coach. Come on, Regina, stay in the game. My lawyer, my doctor. I love myself infinitely and others as well because I respect that down to the smallest atom, the entire human race is connected. As I take more steps into unwalked territory, I know that as long as I stay the course, then dental hygiene is mine. I choose these pictures because they are representing me in the simplest form. My spirituality is my well being. My family is my purpose. My career success is what keeps me focused and grounded. The fire that keeps me going is my family's success and advancement, our abundance and prosperity. Just obtaining generational wealth. This is me in a nutshell. I have a collectivism mentality, and that is how I am raising my children to be also, remembering strong traditions in our culture. Thank you.